Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for dictation. Start. In Satyajit Banerjee versus State of West Bengal, the trial court acquitted the appellant who was charged with offences under sections 498A and 306 IPC. Stop. The High Court noted the infirmities in the case of the prosecution, such as seizure of the suicide note 125 days later, non-examination of the handwriting expert, and belated filing of the FIR, and observed that the trial court ought to have invoked its powers under Section 311 CRPC and examined additional evidence. Stop. However, it went on to set aside the acquittal of the appellants and directed a retrial. Stop. Para. On appeal, this court did not disturb the finding of the High Court since the trial court had already begun the trial fresh. Stop. However, the court cautioned that the appellate court may direct a retrial only in exceptional cases. Stop. This court also distinguished the Best Bakery case and held that was an extraordinary case and the principles laid down in it cannot be applied to all cases uniformly. Stop. As a matter of general rule, a retrial cannot be directed to adduce additional evidence and correct the faulty investigation. Stop. Para. Since strong reliance has been placed on Best Bakery case bracket Gujarat riots case, it is necessary to record a note of caution. Stop. That was an extraordinary case in which this court was convinced that the entire prosecution machinery was trying to shield the accused, that is, the rioters. Stop. It was also found that the entire trial was a farce. Stop. The witnesses were terrified and intimidated to keep them away from the court. Stop. It is in the aforesaid extraordinary circumstances that the court not only directed a de novo trial of the whole case but made further directions for appointment of the new prosecutor with due consultation of the victims. Stop. Retrial was directed to be held out of the state of Gujarat. Stop. Para. The law laid down in Best Bakery case in the aforesaid extraordinary circumstances cannot be applied to all cases against the established principles of criminal jurisprudence. Stop. Direction for retrial should not be made in all or every case where acquittal of accused is for want of adequate or reliable evidence. Stop. In Best Bakery, the first trial was found to be a farce and is described as mock trial. Stop. Therefore, the direction for retrial was in fact for a real trial. Stop. Such extraordinary situation alone can justify the directions as made by this court in Best Bakery case. Stop. Para. So far as the position of law is concerned, we are very clear that even if a retrial is directed in exercise of revisional powers by the High Court. The evidence already recorded at the initial trial cannot be erased or wiped out from the record of the case. Stop. The trial judge has to decide the case on the basis of the evidence already on record and the additional evidence which would be recorded on retrial. Stop. Para. A three-judge bench of this court in Mohammad Hussain versus State bracket Government of NCT of Delhi bracket dealt with the question of retrial under section 386 CRPC. Stop.